Guys, so today I'm going to share to you how I create a basic and simple website through WordPress. So first, I have this list of what to do. I plan first what would be my website's target audience and what would be my content. So since my current role right now is a virtual assistant, so I'm targeting audience those audience who are seeking virtual assistant jobs and doesn't know where to start and how to start. So the domain name that I got is this LadyKey28E. These are also my social media platform names. And also I have installed WordPress on hosting account. So yeah, I've already completed this one and chosen install theme. So this is already done. And customize theme. So for this one, for the customization, it's already complete and create content. So I have created this already in advance. So I have created the how to start my virtual assistant career. So some of the informations here were also included, such as plugins. So I haven't yet um, registered the domain. So once I already had a registration on the domain, then I can set up a plugins. Then add content. Um, I've already created one content yet, and I haven't add anything. The SEO optimization, testing, launching of website, not yet, testing, not yet, and monitor and update. So this is something that I need to do on this coming days. So this is the website that I have created. So this is the page, the home. This is the home. So I've also included here my affiliate links here on the Lady Finds. And this is the home page. So I haven't created yet the about me, the contacts, the facts about me, and the services that I offered. But later on, I will build that slowly, one step at a time. Now, this is also the overview of the things that I need to create on the website or inside the website or inside my website page. So the home, it's already ongoing, not yet done. The about me, not yet started. The services, it's not yet started. The blog, the contact, the testimonials, and the facts. So it's not yet started. So these are the overview of what I normally do when it comes to creating and building basic websites. So that's it, and I hope that you like it.